Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a simple process on how to change language in Cooking Craze application. So let's get started without further ado. Open up your Cooking Craze application on your device, and then once you're inside this main home page, make sure that you're logged into your account. Tap the login button and select one of your login methods and log into your account like you normally do. After signing in with your Cooking Craze account, go and tap on the settings or the gear button at the top right or at the bottom right. In the settings menu, tap on languages. You can select from multitudes of language displayed on the screen. Tap on the language you'd want to change to and tap on the cross button at the top right to close the dialog box. And as you can see that this has successfully changed my language to the selected language. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your language on Cooking Craze. Pretty easy, isn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.